Good afternoon, everybody. I'm back with another little haul for you today. It's not a huge one, but I thought I'd give it a go because it came to me in a box and it came to me in one of those bags that you can see through, and if I hadn't done it fairly early I would have not trusted myself to go and have a proper look. So, alrighty. Having a little vapey vape before we get going. I'm just gonna... Some of this might be new from the look of it. Just open my water. It's been a busy day here again. I don't know what you guys are thinking about this heat, but it's not for me. It really isn't. I don't like it at all. It's I like the sun out. I love it when the sun's out actually, but I don't like this kind of heat. It gets you down. God, I sound like my grandmother. Over and over and over the years, more and more and more. You know, you used to treat your elders like they were daft. No, she knew everything. She knew bloody everything. She didn't really, but you know, she knew a lot more than I did at my stupid age, whatever age that was. She brought me up. My mum left when I was like 3, so I went to live with my grandma, my dad's mum, and him. Yeah, so, oh, that's not a good start, is it? That's not a good start. It says happiness 925 silver. Do we think it could be silver? Do we? I don't know, it looks a little bit... I'll try it. Let's try it in a little bit. I'm not sure though. I'm not sure. And these are new, but they're old. You got some new look earrings in the shape of pyramids with some little diamantes in them. And look at the back. Look at that. Ew though. I wonder what the actual post itself is like. It's actually not too... Oh yeah, it is. It's disgusting. Never mind, we'll put those over there and they can go in the bin. I wouldn't even send stuff like that to craft because that's... Since that one haul that I got, that 10k haul that was dirty and disgusting, I just can't anymore. I don't bother with it. There's no point. They're worth pennies anyway. And I'm not going to subject somebody else to it. Ooh, angry Tracy this afternoon. Feels like morning. I was up all night coughing again. I thought, every time I think I'm over this COVID thing, obviously I'm over it because I'm negative now, but it's left me with this cough and it's like a really, really phlegmy cough. Sorry, too much information maybe, but it sticks at the back of my throat. I'm a metaphobic, which means... Good morning, Jessica. Good afternoon, Jessica, even. I'm a metaphobic, which means I'm frightened of being sick, and I'm frightened of other people being sick as well. So it's... What are you after, little bear? Huh? What do you want? Melon pulp. Plants versus zombies. No, you leave the laptop alone. Mummy's doing some work. What are you up to? You don't know. What time is it? Do you know what time it is? I don't even know what time it is. I don't even know where my phone is. Does it say on there? No, it doesn't say on there. Are you going to go and play, babes? You going to go and play? With your Christmas music carousel? Crisps? Not just yet, no. You've only just had your dinner. You had your dinner like 15 minutes ago. No, Jessica. The answer is no. Go and play. Jess? Look at me. That didn't mean lay down on the bed. That meant go and play. Do you want to say hello? Do you want to say hi? Come here. Come here. Jessica, leave it alone. It's makeup. See, you ask her to do something and she skedaddles. But if you ask her not to do something, I guess she's not so different from any other teenager in that way, really. Anyway, what I was saying, yeah, I'm frightened of being sick, and yeah, actually not just being sick. I am. It's like some kind of. Just listening to where she's going. Better not be the kitchen. Don't think it is. Yeah. No, I think she's gone back in the lounge. It's and other people being sick. I don't drink because of that. I don't let myself be around people that might be sick because of that. When Jessica's been ill, or one of the other children have been ill when they were small, I mean, thank God, really. I've got a partner who deals with it and deals with it really well. I'll sit in my bed, I'll put earphones in my head, I mean, if I was on my own, obviously I'd have to deal with it. And you know what? Once it's done, I'm okay. I can clean up, I can make sure she's okay, I can do all those things. And I think as I've got older, I've kind of learned that it's more the anticipation of it happening. It petrifies me. Anyway, let's go back. It's like sheer terror. It's not just like, it's an actual phobia. I've thought about leaving the house at times and going to stay in a B&B sometimes. That's been how stupidly difficult it's been. Right, what was I saying? Can't remember. No, it's gone. I hate that. I hate that I do that. It's awful. That's gonna go in a 2K. It's quite a nice necklace. People might like that. This is just a wooden beaded necklace. I think it's nothing special, but it's nice. It's got some graduated beads going down. It's in good condition. Put that over there. This is a nice one too, although this part is pretty tarnished. It's pretty tarnished. No, I'll put that in a 2K. It's nice. It's a nice one. And we got some. Are these seeds? Are these seeds? I think they're probably seeds. What a beautiful colour red though. Isn't that gorgeous? Rich red colour. I like that a lot. So there's that. Oh, I wish I could remember what I was talking about. Nah, it's gone. Never mind. So we've got this piece, which is a brooch. It's got one of the old C clasps on it. I don't think it's old particularly. I could be wrong. And it's also got a small part for a pendant to go on to. I don't know what this is made out of. I've got a feeling it's definitely not enameled or anything like that, because I don't want to scratch it, but you can see here it must be paper of some description, because it's got like lines, and you run your hand over it, you can feel where the paper's kind of bunched up. It's nice though, it's pretty, I like it. And there's this one. That's gorgeous. That's very, very gorgeous. Very, very gorgeous. People don't really know me on here, but I suppose not fully actually, because I'm a bit of a hippie at heart. I'm either dressed in full like dungarees and tie-dye shirts, or I'm dressed in black, because that's my two options really. This is really nice, and I would wear this. Oh, it's come loose of one of those. That's all right. I can put that back together. That's fine. We've got these. They're from New Look also. Little dream catchers. They're quite pretty. Still got their security seal, and the backs of them are fine as well, which is good in comparison to the others. Anyway, what's this? Hair. £12 from River Island. These were. Look at those. How pretty. How pretty are they? They're really nice, and they've never been worn. They're called Zen. That's really cute. That's really cute. Yes, we'll pop them in a 2K lot. Got this. It's got lots of stretch. Got lots and lots of stretch. That's absolutely fine. We'll pop that in a 2K lot too. We've got a couple of brooches. There's this paisley paisley style brooch, and I think this is all just enamelled in here. It's nice. I can't see any maker's marks on here at all. Don't think it's got any of those, but that's nice. I like it. We've got another brooch, and this is again a C clasp, and again no maker's mark. This is contemporary, even though this is yucky, and I don't understand how it's yucky underneath, because it shouldn't be, because there's no way that you should be able to get to it. Very peculiar. Again, C clasp. Did it go that way or that way? That way, potentially. Don't know. It's okay. I didn't hate that. We have another brooch here that's pinned in. Let's turn it over. And I can't see any maker's mark on here either. Don't want to mess up the box particularly by taking it out, but it's quite a nice brooch. All its little rhinestones are there. Yeah, that's nice. You like that one. I'll pop that one back in its box. Pop it over there. We've got these. So you need earrings at the top, so they're, do you see what I mean? You put an earring through there, and they're front and behind. They're quite nice. I'll put those into the 2K lot, and hopefully we can find, I think this is one of them actually. I picked it up a second ago. I think that's one of them. Hopefully we'll be able to find them both. If not, I can find studs that would go in there very easily. Look at this. How glam is that? Why have I got green on my fingers? That's gorgeous. That's really, really nice. I like that. Those AB beads, they're wonderful. I'm absolutely certain that this isn't silver. And it comes with these little matching earrings. That's gorgeous. That's really gorgeous. Yes. Pop that over there. Oh, this is funky. It's nothing special, but it's funky. Let's have a go. I've got a hand on my finger. Hand on my finger. I like that. I think that's really nice. Very unusual. It's not silver, and you can see the copper coming through already. I wonder if anybody could do anything arty with that. I wonder if I could. I wouldn't be able to wear it. Somebody might be able to though. Right, let's pop that in there, because it's too unusual to what is that in there? Oh, it's here. It's quite a nice little brooch, nice silver tone brooch. Quite sure it's not silver. I'll have a little scratch and find out though. Oh, actually, let's just use the magnet because it makes life so much easier. That actually scratches like silver. I'll have to keep it aside and have another little looky later. And we've got this one, which has got some big old rhinestones in it. And on the back, don't think there's anything special about this one either, but I get it wrong all the time. There's definitely no maker's mark on it. What's going on? No, that's nothing special, but it's pretty. Oh, we got some glass beads here. Some quite old glass beads with they're knotted, hand knotted. Yeah, they're lovely. Let me have a look under my loopy loop at these just quickly. No, clasp isn't anything, but they're really nice. They're very pretty. Milk glass, perhaps, or just glass beads. You've got this one. That's quite nice. Have a look under here with this. I just dismiss things, but I've been wrong a few times recently. Very wrong. So let's put my little diamond tester on. Oh, we out of charge. Oh, that's gutting. I bet I left it on. I'm really good at doing that. Anyway, whatever it is, I'll put it in the 2K lot. There we go. And another little brooch. Another little C-clasp brooch there. Doesn't do up completely. What does that say? It definitely says something. Can't see what it says though. Or does it say something? Is it just lots of scratches, maybe? Not sure. Now I've lost some magnet. Nah, that's nothing special either, but it's very pretty. I like the green. Green's one of my favourite colours. I'm more into blue right now, but I do like my green as well. So we've got this one, which is not gold, but does say something on its little part there. Another 777. Remember we had one of those yesterday, or was it the day before? That's tarnished to heck. That would definitely go into a what's it called lot? A crafting lot. That's not silver. I lost my magnet. It's around somewhere, so I'm using one of the ones you use for like locking child lock things on doors. We've got stars shining right above you. Do, 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 do. That is missing a little pink rhinestone. That's a shame. Anyway, that can go in with the crafty lot as well. And there we just have a meh ring that's copper's coming through on it. Okie dokie, so that is it for now. I'm going to be back in a very short while probably, because I need to go and do some work as usual. And I'll be back soon. Have a great day. I'll speak to you tonight. Bye.